Well, we say in, that quality is not a function in an organization. Quality is the belief, the mission that any organization in our industry, in the medical device industry, must pursue to ensure that high standards are adhered to, that there is consistency in the products that are delivered to the healthcare systems and the patients. There is a commitment around the organization at all levels that things must be done right the first time. A quality of culture, it is essential to the best operation of any organization and also to the sustainability of the business in the long run. Critical to any organization, and also is a way to connect all the associates in the organization in a common pursuit, in a common mission and purpose. Compliance Architects is an organization that can enable and will enable the smooth and efficient operation of any medical device organization by ensuring that the organization delivers on the regulatory compliance commitments, that it improves its efficiency, and also delivers on innovation to the marketplace, having a constant and high compliance level of performance allows the organization to focus on delivering, on designing these new products, these new innovations that establish a new standard of care for patients, improving the life of our people in society, of our citizens.